Moving forward in the decision tree introduction, let's see what ID3 algorithm, a mathematical algorithm for building the decision tree. It was invented by Ross Quinlan in 1979. Generates decision trees using Shannon entropy. So Shannon entropy is the key method used in the ID3 algorithm, and ID3 algorithm is used to build the decision tree. So this is how the particular chain is connected. Builds the tree from the top down with no backtracking, as we have seen that decision tree is a top down non-recursive approach. Information gain is used to select the most useful attribute for classification, succeeded by the Quinlan's C4.5 and C5.0 algorithm. So these are the advanced versions of the ID3 algorithm. Now see what is entropy. You might have seen in your school lectures or school books what is entropy. So entropy in thermodynamics, entropy is a measure of how ordered or disordered a system is. So if your system is in ordered manner, then what will happen? The entropy is high. In information theory, entropy is a measure of how certain or uncertain the value of the random variable is or will be. So this entropy tells nothing but the uncertainty, the orderness, and varying degrees of randomness depending on the number of possible values and the total size of the set. A formula to calculate the homogeneity of a sample is known as your entropy, and entropy is a completely homogeneous sample has entropy of 0. So if the given data set having the homogeneous or the similar type of samples, then the entropy of such samples will be 0. An equally divided sample has entropy of 1. Fine. So this is the opposite of the last sentence. Shannon entropy. This is the formula of Shannon entropy, P log P. It was introduced by the Claude Shannon in 1948. Quantifies the randomness. Since we are dealing with the randomness, so Shannon entropy deals with the randomness. Lower values implies the less uncertainty. So if there is the value of the Shannon entropy formula is less, then the given samples are less uncertain, and if the high, then it means the more uncertain. So this is the formula for the Shannon entropy, where this shows the summation of the samples pi log base 2 pi. Information gain, again it uses the Shannon entropy. Information gain calculates the effective change in entropy after making a decision based on values of an attribute. For decision trees, it is ideal to base decision on the attribute that provides the largest change in entropy, the attribute with highest gain. See here in this example, we can understand what is information gain and what is all this entropy things. So this is the definition. First understand this is the our entropy minus P log P, and this will be for all the data set. Gain is information gain for this sample D. D is nothing but this set of data tuples. So how many data tuples you are having is the D. Fine. And the info of AD is subtracted into the from the info D. So what is A? A is your nothing but the set that you have selected, the particular set that you have selected here, this one. So just subtract this part from that particular part. Then you will see the gain of A, the sample for which, or the feature for which you are calculating the information gain. So if you are calculating the information gain for a particular feature, and there are n number of features, then this is for the whole data set, this is for a particular feature. Just subtract it and check the gain. Fine.